Hey everyone, welcome back to Danvar Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. If you're looking to free up space on Google Photos, but want to keep your pictures on your device, this is the perfect solution. Let's get started. Open your Google Photos, and if you delete a photo from here, it will also be deleted from your phone. See, it'll be moved to recently deleted. If you want to delete photos only from Google Photos, go to Google Chrome and search for Google Photos. Now, if you delete a photo, it will only be deleted from Google Photos, not from your phone. Let's check the phone gallery. As you can see, the photo hasn't been deleted from your phone, only from Google Photos. That's it for today. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.